Ailani laning with me today, and she wanted to participate in the Dolly Nature 5-Day Challenge, and we're just outside, just enjoying nature, and beside her there are some ants at work. So here you go. Hopefully you guys can see them. They are busy, busy, busy. And she is wearing a lovely green and striped dress with little cherries on it. And then she has her little bag and her little shoes. And her hair has two little pigtails with bows, green bows. And yeah, we're just, today is overcast, as you can tell. Not very sunny today, but we decided to, before it starts raining, to enjoy a little bit of nature. And as you can see, they are busy, busy, busy. So everyone, thank you for joining in. Anybody that joined in the 5-day challenge. And also, there is no time limit. If you want to do this next week, just let me know and tag me, and I'll go watch your video. But yeah, we had fun doing this, and I hope, and I thank everyone that did join. I really appreciate it very much. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great Friday and a great weekend. And I appreciate my new subscribers and old ones too. Thank you so much. And soon I will be doing shout outs in another video, so look forward to seeing that. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.